Hello, my name is Angelica, and today I'm going to present the first activity for language forms and functions. So, my name is Angelica Maria Leiva. I am an English teacher from Mayor de los Andes. I'm still working, I have been working there for 5 years. I'm teaching to 8th and 9th graders. I live in Bogota. The school is in Cajicá. Mm, I'm 37 years old and I'm from Colombia. I have a cat and its name is Lucky. And I'm also, as you can see in the picture, I'm married. I have a beautiful family. I have my husband and two beautiful daughters, and it is also my mom over there. I love music, especially rock music. In my free time, the thing is that I never have free time, but when I have free time, I like to spend time with my family. We like to go to the cinema. We like to visit different towns near Bogota. We like to go to restaurants. We like to do many things as a family. Okay. The first question is, how do you compare the quotation from Wallace Chafe at the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of linguistics? First of all, I need to say that it's not easy to read like thoughts in English because you start like thinking in Spanish, and that is not easy. Okay, so linguistics is language, and the purpose of linguistics is to acquire knowledge through communication. Therefore, Wallace Chafe says that communication has to be fed to improve how something is said. But the issue is that communicators don't mind about how a person is going to receive the message and how it's going to be comprehended. Communicators just mind about saying the things in the way they want or think. So it is important to start thinking about how others are going to receive the message. Number two, why do you think some people approach the study of linguistics with apprehensiveness? Is this your case? Explain. I think people like to study linguistics because people want to learn about different cultures around the world and want to know how people communicate their thoughts and ideas by constructing sentences. In my case, I like to study other languages because of globalization. Technology has helped us to break frontiers and has helped us to see the other part of the world. So, if you want to meet new people from other countries or other culture, other cultures, it is important to learn new languages. Third, is linguistics about correctness in language use? Explain. No, linguistics does not mean correcting. Linguistics is the study of other languages and the way people communicate. It is about sounds, forms, order of words, and meanings. Number four, what are the names of the greatest contributors to linguistics field? How would you level each of them? For example, Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics; Ferdinand de Saussure, Noam Chomsky, M.A.K. Halliday, and Edward Sapir. Ferdinand de Saussure was the one who interpreted signs and symbol, signifier, and phonetic form. Noam Chomsky was the one who said that every language has a structure, different words and sounds. Also says that everybody can learn a new language. M.A.K. Halliday says that linguistics is the study of how people exchange meanings by language, and language is the creation of the society. Edward Sapir created the concept of linguistic relativity, that means that the language influences in the way people perceive the world. I think that all their contributions have been useful for comprehending other cultures and languages around the world, awakening people's interest to be open-minded to accept other languages and ways to communicate and comprehend different thoughts and different ways of living. That's it. Here is my bibliography. And that's it. Thank you.